Single Fuse Thin Film Chip Fuses by Borns. Welcome to the training module on single fuse thin film chip fuses. This training module introduces single fuse thin film chip fuses and their construction. Borns single fuse product line is a family of thin film chip fuses built in surface mount packages. These fuses are designed to provide overcurrent protection for a wide range of circuits, and hence the family is comprised of 70 different part numbers ranging from 500 milliamps to 7 amps. These parts are built in 3 different footprints, namely 0402, 0603, and 1206 case codes. Within each of these product lines comes both the fast and slow blow fuses. The applications for single fuse are wide and varied. They include portable memory, LCD monitors, disk drives, PDAs, digital cameras, DVD players, cell phones, rechargeable battery packs, battery chargers, set-top boxes, and industrial controllers. These are just some of the many applications for single fuse products. To verify if they are suitable in your application, please contact your local Borns representative. The 70 different single fuse models all have the same common construction. They are based upon a ceramic substrate with a thin film printed fuse element. This element is protected with an epoxy coating and wrapped around tin-plated terminals for connectivity. In the subsequent slides, we will explore in further details the construction of these single fuse products. The foundation material for the single fuse thin film chip fuses is an aluminum oxide ceramic substrate. This substrate has a polymer isolation layer deposited on it. With the isolation layer in place, the key thin film element is printed onto the component. For customer-specific applications, this thin film element is easily modified to achieve unique fusion characteristics. With the fusion element in place, a polymer film is deposited to cover and protect the element. This layer is further reinforced with more robust epoxy coating. Next, the part marking is printed onto the upper surface of the component. To build up the part conductivity, the lower surfaces are copper plated. They are subsequently plated with inner solder layer. And finally, the outer surface is plated with 100% tin to allow standard lead-free reflow soldering. The advantages of this construction compared to other fuse types is the thin film design. The printing of thin film allows very precise fusion characteristics. A thin film printing line can readily handle large volume production and yet has full flexibility to accommodate unique fusion characteristics. These unique parts can easily be made without causing any major interruption to the production. Unlike other fuse types, when a thin film fuse opens, it operates with a minimum amount of smoke. As was highlighted in the construction of these fuses, all the materials used are both wash compliant and halogen free. The summary of the single fuse product family is listed in this table. In total, the single fuse product line has 6 series models. As was introduced earlier, there are 3 product sizes, 0402, 0603, and 1206. Within each of these sizes are the 2 fusion types of fast-acting and slow blow. The current ranges of each size starts at 500 milliamps and goes up to 4 amps for the 0402, 5 amps for the 0603, and 7 amps for the 1206 size. There are 70 different part numbers within this product line, and the part number for each one is quite straightforward. All models begin with SF, which represents the single fuse trademark. The next four numbers represent the product size. In this example, the 1206 represents the case size 1206. This could also be 0603 or 0402. The next character is always a letter, either S or F. S represents slow blow, F represents fast acting. The next three characters will always be numbers. These numbers represent the rated current of the fuse. In this example, 050 represents 0.5 amps. If the part number showed 500, that would represent 5 amps. Finally, the last two characters represent the packaging of the component, which in this case is tape and reel.